Finance is the lifeblood of a successful business. Unless your business has access to enough capital, you can't properly function. At Virtual Tax and Capital Solutions, our experts have 20 years experience helping thousands of companies obtain business financing, loans, and capital for their needs. Whether you need access to $500,000 worth of capital to $5 million worth, we are there every step of the way. We provide you with the liquidity your business needs to succeed. And if you need corporate finance planning support, we offer finance strategy and CFO advisory services. We call this solution Corporate Development as a Service. This unique solution combines technical and compliance services with finance and tax advisory services to ensure that your capital is put to use in the best way possible. We are Virtual Tax and Capital Solutions, your trusted firm for success when it comes to corporate development as a service, tax resolution, building business credit, and getting your business financed with the results you need at Virtual Tax and Capital Solutions. Visit our website to book a consultation or call us at 888-235-0130 or email us at customercare@vtaxcs.com to get started.